means I can't put that in one of my videos because then you just show me up in yours. I haven't even begun to worry about making videos yet.
To be honest, I always did, even just to like track my own progress.
Yeah.
It's really fun to watch like you fly on a spot and then like a year later,
Yeah, I'm saving all the videos yet.
I know, but I just stuck them on YouTube just to kind of get them.
I saw them doing that, then I put the bike in the thing.
That was a shame, that was a good run. I kind of just backed into it, didn't I, or something?
I didn't see what you did, I just
Alright. Thank you. Fresh nettle.
Fresh nettles indeed.
Yeah, I think I just backed into something. That's the problem there, there's just no room. Aye.
I think I've seen some doing review cameras.
Yeah. I suppose it wouldn't really help me in freestyling, but it's kind of a cool.
Be good for your body flips, that's about it. Or trippy spins.
Yeah. I don't really do many tricks for some reason. I don't know why. Surprised how easy it is to lose like a quad just straight in front.
You took your goggles off there, I had no clue what
Yep,
it was.
no, I have no idea. Absolutely no idea.